आज आपण फार्मास्युटिक सेकंडचा 4th चॅप्टर बघणार आहोत, सॉलिड डोसेज फॉर्म. त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला पहिला पॉईंट आहे पावडर. पावडरची डिफिनेशन आहे, पावडर आर द मिक्सचर ऑफ फायनली डिवाइडेड ड्रग ऑर केमिकल्स इन ड्राय फॉर्म. दे आर यूज्ड फॉर एक्सटर्नली अँड internally. Powders are available in crystalline or amorphous form. There is a relationship between particle size of powder and dissolution, absorption and therapeutic effect of drug. Advantages of powder. Powder are more stable than liquid form. The chance of incompatibilities are less as compared to liquid dosage form. The onset of action of powder drug is rapidest compared to other solid dosage form. Example, tablet, capsule. Due to smaller particle size of powder, it gets dissolved easily in body fluids. Larger quantity of powder drug can be administered to the patient orally by dissolving or mixing the powder in the suitable liquid. Small children or elderly patients can easily take the powder drug as such or dispensed in water or any other liquid. Powder drugs are more economical as compared with the dosage form because not required any special machinery or techniques. Powder are more easy to carry than the liquid dosage form. Disadvantages of powder. Drug having bitter, nauseous and unpleasant taste cannot be dispensed in powder form. Deliquescent and hydroscopic drugs cannot be dispensed in powder form. Drugs which get affected by atmospheric conditions are not suitable for dispensing in powder form. The dispensing of powder is a time-consuming. Classification of powder. First आहे bulk powder for internal use. Second आहे bulk powder for external use. Third आहे simple and compounded powder for internal use. Fourth आहे powder enclosed in sachets and capsules. 5 आहे compression powder tablet. फर्स्ट आहे बल्क पावडर फॉर इंटरनल यूज. त्याच्यामध्ये पॉईंट आहे आपल्याला, व्हेन accuracy of dosage forms is not required or is not important at that time, powder are dispensed in bulk form. Bulk powder contains several dosage of powder. They are supplied in wide mouth containers that permit the easy removal of a spoonful powder. The non-potent substances which are supplied in bulk are antacid and laxative, etc. Example, rhubarb powder for external use are non-potent substances. Their powders are supplied in cardboard, glass or plastic containers which are other designed for the specific method of application. The dusting powder are supplied in perforated or filtered tap container. The bulk powder which are commonly used for external application are follows: dusting powder, insufflation, snuffs, dentifrices. थर्ड आहे आपल्याला बल्क पावडर फॉर एक्सटर्नल यूज. These are used for external application on the skin and generally applied in very fine state to avoid local irritation. Therefore, dusting powder should be passed through the sieve number of or 120 to enhance their effectiveness. Dusting powders are two types: surgical. Medical and surgical dusting powder before use must be sterilized by dry heat method at 160 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. Surgical dusting powder are used in body cavity. Umbilical dusting powder are used in body cavity and also used for burn case, where medical dusting powder are generally used on superficial skin condition. Insufflation. These are medicated dusting powder. They are introduced into body cavities such as nose, throat, ear and vagina with the help of an apparatus insufflator. Nowadays, the insufflation are available in the form of pressure and these across used for patient potent drug. Snuffs. These are finely divided solid dosage form of medicament which are inhaled into nostrils for antiseptic. Snuffs are dispensed in flat metal boxes or glass container with handed lid. Dentifrices. They are applied on tooth surface with help of brush in that contains suitable detergent or soap. Some abrasive substance and suitable flavoring agent are involved. Abrasive agents are calcium sulfonate. Thank you.